Good morning children, welcome back to Google Classroom supported by Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. This is your mathematics period. Today we plan to discuss the chapter 11 algebra. Did you learn the previous topics from algebra? I hope everyone learned the topics. Today we introduce the topic expressions. What are expressions and how they formed? So watch the class and learn this topic very well. Today's topic is expressions with variables. So we are introducing today expressions. What do you mean by an expression? So in arithmetic we use the expressions. We form the expressions using 4 number operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. If you say 4 plus 3, that is an expression. 5 minus 2, it is an arithmetic expression. Understood the meaning of expression? 5 into 10, it is an expression in mathematics. Okay. So here examples for expressions are 3 into 4 plus 5 or 4 plus 5, it is another expression. Negative 3 into 40 plus 5, it is also an expression. So here we use only numbers. But we can use variables also in an expression. Variables, do you remember variable? Variables are the letters to which we can assign the values. Any value we can assign to a variable. Okay, so here expressions can be formed from variables too. Okay, we can use variables means letters also we can use in expressions. But here in this expression, that means the expressions with numbers only, we can evaluate the expressions. Evaluate means we can find the value of that expression. That is evaluating, finding or calculating the value. That is evaluating. So here we can evaluate the value. 3 into 4 plus 5 means 3 into 4 plus 5, 9. So 3 into 9, 27 is the answer. But use variables in an expression, we can't evaluate its value. We can't evaluate it. 4x plus 5 is an expression with variable. Here x is the variable. These 4 and 5 are the numbers, but x is a letter. So with this letter we can't calculate the value of this statement or value of this expression. Okay. So if the value of x is given, x equal to 1 or x equal to 2, we can calculate this expression. Understood? In an expression, if the value of variable is given, we can calculate the value of that expression. Here this is an expression with the variable x. Understood? How we will calculate? For example, evaluate 4x plus 5. If x equal to 3, we told already we can assign any value for x. If a value is given in the question, we can substitute that value for this variable in this expression. How? 4x means 4 into x. So it is given here x equal to 3. So 4x we can write 4 into 3 plus 5. So the value of this expression will be 4 into 3, 12. Value of this expression will be 4 into 3 plus 5. 4 into 3, 12 plus 5, 17 is the value of this expression. A variable is here, but the value of the variable is given, we can evaluate the expression. Understood? Next is how we can convert the given statement to expression and vice versa. That means statement to expression and expression to statement. Here y plus 5. Y plus 5 is an expression. How it is formed? 5 added to y. That is the statement. 5 added to y is the statement. Y plus 5 is the expression. Understood? y plus 5 is the expression, and how it is formed, that is the statement. 5 added to y, then we will get this expression. Next expression, t minus 7. How it is formed, t minus 7 expression? 7 subtracted from t. The meaning of this expression is 7 subtracted from t. Understood? 10a. What is the meaning of this 10a? A multiplied by 10 or 10 multiplied by a. Then 10a. X by 3. X by 3. How it is formed? X divided by 3. This is the way we will convert expression to statement. If it is given, we have to write this expression. If it is given, we have to write the statement as accordingly. Okay? Next, the reverse. Expressions for the following. First one, 12 subtracted from Z. How we will write the expression for this statement? 12 subtracted from Z. How will you write? Z minus 12. 25 added to R. 25 is added to R. So R plus 25. This is very easy, but you should think. P multiplied by 16. P multiplied by 16. Then what is the expression? 16 into P, that is 16P. Divided by 8, that is 5 by 8. Okay. Next we can check how we can write the expressions. Y multiplied by 10 and then 7 added to the product. So y multiplied by 10, how will you write? Y multiplied by 10 means 10y. And then 7 added to the product. So this is the product we got, 10y. And 7 added to this product. How will you write? Plus 7. Added to plus. Multiplied by into. Multiplied by means into. Added to 7. So 10y plus 7. This is the expression for this statement. Understood? This is the statement. This is the expression. Next. N multiplied by 2 and 1 subtracted from the product. How will you write the answer? N multiplied by 2. N multiplied by 2 means 2 into n, 2n. And 1 subtracted from the product. 1 subtracted means minus 1. So this is the answer. Okay. Next we can do exercise 11.3. The same set of questions. Give expressions for the following cases. 7 added to P. How will you write? P plus 7. 7 subtracted from minus M. 7 subtracted from minus M. Minus M minus 7. This 7 is subtracted from negative M. Negative M minus 7. Negative P divided by 5. How will you write negative P divided by 5? Negative P by 5. 11 added to 2M. 11 added to 2M. 2M plus 11. 2M plus 11. So you understood, children? Expressions to statement and statements to expression. Study and send the review test answers. Learn the topic very well.